So we've just looked at how we can assign the COGO points to the vertical design, and we've also just reviewed how to manage the auto profile entries, giving you the space to be adding extra IPs. You can also manually add additional points to your design, not simply just use the vertices of the polyline. To do this, you go up to the COGO Points and Survey Lines panel, click on the Points by Polyline pull down and choose Create Points. We're going to make sure that the code is LOT, and it's important it's case sensitive as well. Okay, so it's important you put uppercase for your code. We're going to choose Dynamic Position for this new code and click Setup Position. It's also very important that when you're using this option, you're using Reference 2D Polyline. So we're going to go ahead and pick the polyline. We're then going to specify a chainage. I'd recommend using a chainage over a vertex. We're going to specify a chainage, and we're actually going to go ahead and pick in the drawing. So I'm actually going to be picking roughly around here somewhere. And we'll round that number up to 35. So we'll have a point created on the polyline around chainage 35. Assigning the point to the polyline improves the way in which the auto profile entry, which we reviewed in the previous video, can actually calculate the location of the point for the vertical design. Last thing we're going to do is set up the elevation. So in this case, I'm going to be choosing reference COGO point, and I'm going to be picking the point at the front here, point 2, and I want to be 5% above point 2, and click apply. All you need to do is click create point and then close the form. Now you can see that point has been added in. I can just use the grip here just to rotate the point around if I want. If I want to have that point now added into the vertical design, because it has the same code, LOT, it's now assigned to the same point group, which means all I need to do is click refresh. And that point has now been added into the design. If you decide you want to remove points from your project entirely, you can do that by left clicking on a point and hitting the delete key. That point is no longer part of the project. If I go refresh on the vertical grading editor, you can see that point is no longer being calculated in the design. If you do make a mistake and you do delete some points, you want to recover them, under the edit point pull down, we can go undelete points. You can see here we've actually got a library of points that were created in the past. You can then go ahead and recover any selected points back into the drawing. If you no longer want these points, you can click on Clean Recovery Database, confirm that they're going to be removed, and they're no longer available for recovery.